Pumirma ng isang Memorandum of Agreement at GMA Network at Caritas Manila. Lain itong mapalawig pa ang Segunda Mana na campaign ng charitable institution. Kasama sa MOA signing sina GMA Network Vice President and Head of Corporate Affairs and Communications, Angel Javier Cruz. First Vice President of Supply Asset and Management Department, Vicky Aradaza, at Acting Head of ICT, Edwin Jimenez. Para naman sa Caritas Manila, kasama sina Executive Director Father Anton Pascual at Financial Stewardship Division Head Ray Zotomayor. Pagkatapos ng mga signing, nagbigay ang GMA ng gadgets sa Caritas. Sabi po ni Father Anton, malaking tulong gadgets para sa kanilang mga pinag-aaral.
We are very pleased with this partnership because we have several things in common, no? Caritas Manila and GMA. Both our organizations are deeply rooted in faith. If you know, at the top of our core values in GMA is we place God above all.
We have something in common, our love for the poor, and that's why we have this Segunda Mana. At ang number one beneficiary of our Segunda Mana, donation in kind, are our Wise Step Scholars. No? We believe that education is the great social equalizer. If you want to eradicate poverty totally, education is the key.
Igan, mauna ka sa mga balita. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube. Sa mga kapuso abroad, subaybayan nyo kami sa GMA Pinoy TV at sa www.gmanews.tv.